Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that might just revolutionize your kitchen experience, the Cosori Rice Cooker 10 Cup. We found this fantastic rice cooker online and have added the link in the description below for you to check out its latest price and availability. The Cosori Rice Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking rice and other grains effortless. With its 10-cup capacity and advanced fuzzy logic technology, this cooker can handle a variety of cooking tasks. Whether you're preparing fluffy white rice, nutty brown rice, or even oats, this machine has you covered with 18 different cooking functions. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its fuzzy logic technology. This smart cooking system automatically adjusts the cooking parameters based on the type of rice or grain you're preparing. It follows a 7-step cooking process to ensure that every grain is cooked to perfection. This means you don't have to be a culinary expert to achieve restaurant-quality rice at home. Another great feature is the keep warm and delay timer functions, which allow you to enjoy fresh and warm rice whenever you want. You can set it up to start cooking at a later time, ensuring that your meal is ready when you are. Imagine coming home after a long day and having perfectly cooked rice waiting for you. If you're in a rush, the Cosori Rice Cooker also has a quick rice feature. This allows you to prepare white rice much faster without compromising on taste or quality. It operates at 1000 watts, making it a reliable option when you're short on time. Now, let's talk about who this product is suitable for. If you're a busy professional, a student, or even someone who just loves home-cooked meals, this rice cooker is perfect for you. It's designed for those who appreciate convenience without sacrificing quality. Families will also find it beneficial, as the 10-cup capacity can easily serve multiple people. In practical use, you can prepare a variety of meals beyond just rice. The Cosori Rice Cooker is also equipped for slow cooking soups, steaming vegetables, and sautéing flavored rice, making it a multifunctional addition to your kitchen. You can even use it to whip up breakfast oats or grains for lunch, offering a wide range of culinary possibilities. Cleaning is often a hassle when it comes to kitchen appliances, but the Cosori Rice Cooker makes this easy. Its non-stick ceramic inner pot is dishwasher safe, along with the removable lid, allowing for quick and convenient cleanup after your cooking adventures. In summary, the Cosori Rice Cooker 10 Cup with its fuzzy logic technology and ceramic coating brings a new level of efficiency and ease to your kitchen. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding a family, this rice cooker ensures you have perfectly prepared rice and grains every time, with added versatility for other dishes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.